This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Minute podcast. This podcast is on venture capital slumps, 3 key points. So here's what's going on with the venture capital world. We've all seen some of this already, and it's been accelerated through the Silicon Bank situation. But there is some bright silver linings to this as well. So the first thing is venture capital funding in the first quarter of this year was down more than 50% from the first quarter of 2022. You have to remember, 2021 was a record year for VC funding. VC funding was still very strong in the first half of 2022 and really fell off a cliff about the middle of 2022, sort of VC funding. So this year, the first quarter down about 50% or more than that. Second is, if not for a couple big deals that were done in the VC space, that number would be closer to about 70 or 80% down year over year. There's the investment by Microsoft in ChatGPT of $10 billion. There's a couple things that inflated those numbers, so it would be down a lot more than the 55% that it was. But that's sort of the situation with venture capital. Third, seed funding, early stage funding is also down greatly year over year. Now the silver lining to all this is, as you talk to private equity and venture capital funds, they think this downturn in the market will ultimately provide opportunities for funding, as so much of the ultimate returns in VC and private equity are the timing of your investment. Do you time the situation right in an upcycle? So seeing this deterioration in values, this downturn in pricing, leads more and more funds, VC funds, to think that they're almost there at a point to pounce on opportunities that can make a difference in the long run. We'll see if that's true or not, but that's a silver lining that we're hearing from venture capital funds and private equity funds, that this might provide some opportunity for more significant investments and returns over time, that this downturn has a silver lining. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Minute podcast, and thank you to our team. Thank you.